Hello guys, today in this video I am going to tell you about daily use English sentences. The first sentence is आप क्या खरीदते हो जब आप बाजार जाते हो? What do you purchase when you go to market? What do you purchase when you go to market? Or you can say when you go to market, what do you purchase? When you go to market, what do you purchase? आप ऑफिस कब जाते हो? When do you go to office? When do you go to office? मुझे नहीं पता आप कब ऑफिस जाते हो. I don't know when you go to office. I don't know when you go to office. मुझे आइडिया नहीं है कि वह बाजार कब जाता है. I don't have any idea when he goes to market. I don't have any idea when he goes to market. जब भी आप गुस्सा करते हो आप क्या करते हो? Whenever you get angry, what do you do? Whenever you get angry, what do you do? आप कहाँ रहते हो? Where do you live? Where do you live? जहाँ तुम रहते हो वहाँ कोई नहीं रहता है. Where you live, nobody lives. Where you live, nobody lives. Or you can say, nobody lives where you live. Nobody lives where you live. मुझे नहीं पता वह कहाँ रहती है. I don't know where she lives. I don't know where she lives. क्या तुम्हें पता है वह कहाँ काम करती है? Do you know where she works? Do you know where she works? जहाँ कहीं भी वह जाती है वो मुझे पाती है. Wherever she goes, she finds me. Wherever she goes, she finds me. वह किसके साथ ऑफिस जाती है? With whom does she go to office? With whom does she go to office? किसी को नहीं पता वह किसके साथ नाश्ता करती है. Nobody knows with whom he takes breakfast. Nobody knows with whom he takes breakfast. क्या उसे पता है मैं किसके साथ ऑफिस जाती हूँ? Does he know with whom I go to office? Does he know with whom I go to office? Or you can say, does he know whom I go to office with? Does he know whom I go to office with? वह किसको पसंद करती है? Whom does she like? Whom does she like? तुम किससे बात करते हो? To whom do you talk? To whom do you talk? Or you can say, whom do you talk to? Whom do you talk to? मुझे याद नहीं कि मैं किससे बात करती हूँ. I don't remember to whom I talk. I don't remember to whom I talk. Or you can say, I don't remember whom I talk to. I don't remember whom I talk to. आप कितने बजे ऑफिस जाते हो? At what time do you go to office? At what time do you go to office? आप क्यों पूछ रहे हो कि मैं कितने बजे ऑफिस जाती हूँ? Why are you asking at what time I go to office? Why are you asking at what time I go to office? आप कितने बजे जगते हो? At what time do you wake up? At what time do you wake up? Thank you.